Hi, I'm Mike Morley, Director of Relocation for Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. We've now made placing an outgoing referral easier than ever. Simply log on to the gateway and scroll down to the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a button at the bottom called Place an Outgoing Referral. Select that button and you'll be directed to a short form. The first field in that form, you want to make sure that you select Outgoing Broker to Broker, because that's going outside of Howe's market area. So it's a referral we're placing to another agent outside of Howe's market area. Again, a reminder, you can be as involved as much or as little as possible as you want, as you choose to be in this type of transaction. So if you want to be involved with selecting that agent, note that in the field at the bottom. And finally, make sure that your name is attached to that form. So where it asks you for your name, simply click on the magnifying glass and a box will pop up. This is where you can search for your name, type in your last name or even the first few letters and then hit search. Once you find your name at the bottom, click on it and you'll see it's been added to the form. Press that submit button and you're good to go. Good luck with this outgoing referral.